Welcome to the last day of our 5-day Beginner's Inner Calm Challenge. We've explored 4 different meditations so far, each just 3 minutes long. Today we're doing gratitude meditation. Gratitude meditation helps you focus on the positives in your life, fostering appreciation and happiness. Reflecting on what you're thankful for cultivates a positive mindset and enhances well-being. I will say each statement, and you'll have time to repeat quietly in your mind or out loud, thinking of what best fits each scenario. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale. Now exhale. Let's begin. First, let's reflect on aspects of yourself that you are grateful for. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my strengths. I am grateful for my resilience. I am grateful for my kindness. I am grateful for my ability to grow and learn. I am grateful for my ability to love and be loved. Great! Now think about the positive relationships in your life. Consider one person who fits each statement. It's perfectly fine if it's the same person for all. I am grateful for the support I receive. I am grateful for the kindness I experience. I am grateful for the presence of loved ones in my life. I am grateful for the love I give and receive. I am grateful for all the people who bring joy to my life. You're rocking this. In this last section, reflect on the positive experiences you've had. Think of the experience after each statement. I am grateful for the joy I have experienced. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for the growth I have achieved. I am grateful for the memories I have created. I am grateful for all the positive experiences in my life. Take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the feeling of gratitude with you throughout your day. Fantastic job! You've completed all 5 days of the Beginner's Inner Calm Challenge. We hope you've enjoyed exploring these different meditations. We'd love to hear your feedback or any requests for more series or advanced options. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your inner calm.